This is how the Big Bang happened. But first, what became before the Big Bang? Nobody really knows what came before the Big Bang, but there are many theories that surface around it. But we do know that it started from something called the superforce, a really small and really dense object that soon exploded into the Big Bang. Now, the Big Bang was a huge explosion that stretched across everywhere, creating everything that has ever existed. It was expanded so fast that it moved faster than the speed of light. And this Big Bang also created time and space. And it happened so fast that we had to create Planck time to measure it. And space, it just created everything around it. It also created the four fundamental forces: gravity and electromagnetism. There's also strong force and a weak force. Strong force keeping things like atoms together, like the protons and neutrons, to keep it stable. It also created the weak force. The weak force created all the elements around it and also present for all the radiation in the universe. All the quarks, protons, and neutrons and the atoms came together to create all the elements that made up everything in the universe, creating matter. Next is the cool down, which is an event that lasted over 380,000 years, which basically cooled down everything, slowing all the protons and neutrons and all the particles, cooling everything. Now, what is all the evidence behind the Big Bang? Well, there are several pieces of evidence. One of the popular ones is the cosmic background radiation, which was created after the events of the Big Bang that still roam our universe today. The next one is all the stars and the expanding galaxies away from each other, and also the redshift, which also plays a part in expansion. Now that we learned about the Big Bang, it's time to learn about the first stars, like how were they created and what played a role in creating them.